See what I'm saying? On a serious note, bro, I've been pretty good, bro. You feel me? I forgot to weigh myself, so I can't eat the cookies till I get back. Shit. Nigga was so ready to get them fucking cookies I had just tore out. What the fuck? Another thing, bro, I cut my motherfucking hair the other day. Bro, holy shit. Like, it's too hot outside to have all that hair on your head. Like, I look like a little kid again, bro, genuinely. And if it was time well spent, just don't let me fall asleep. Move, old lady! Before I fucking hit you! Can't take it. I'm not on my way. I gotta make this quick because my camera finna die. Strawberry donut, holy shit. Wow. It's fucking peak. Chocolate nut. Oh. Peak. Muffin. Fucking mid. Ew. But actually outside. Random honey bun donut. It's good. It's good, but it's cold. Wow. Bro, the strawberry is the best one, bro. I don't give a fuck. Like, it's so good for no reason. Anyway, let's get to this chest day. Ah! I fucking hate Buzz, bro. I don't care. Ah! Fuck. Fuck. Ah! Yes. Lather me up like Diddy. Oh my God, let's do it. Yes. I'm gonna start with these lat pull downs. I'm gonna put 90 pounds in there. And yeah, that's gonna be a warm up. Here go 90 pounds. What I really want to, enforce in this video is that no matter what you do, no matter how your life is looking, just keep trying, man. Keep pushing, bro. Because I never would think that I would have the camera that I wanted. I never thought I would have the car that I want. And I never would think that soon enough I have the house that I want or the apartment I want too. But everything's possible, bro. You just got to give it time. Like, man, I was down bad on my ass for like months and years, genuinely. Like, my whole life been shitty. I've been losing my whole life, gang. And to finally fucking win one thing in your life, like, whether that be a new car or a companion or somebody that you can call your own or something in your life that's gonna make your life better. Just cherish that shit and realize that, like, you can be better, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just want everybody to know that and realize that. Because, you know, no matter how bad your life might seem, you can always get better, bro. If you're at rock bottom and you feel like giving up, just know that you can always be better and that you can always climb back up. All right, here goes 225. Probably gonna take 45 pounds off each side, just so I can get a better pump in and feel them shoulders working for real. I need to grow my shoulders more. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not all about lifting heavy. Like I said, I do it lightweight, do it heavyweight. Depends on how I'm feeling. And I've noticed every time I do this back day workout, I don't really feel shit in my back. Try to take some of that off. Just because I can do it don't mean I should do it, you know? Hey, bro, I do a sit and then I go sit down because holy shit, bro. Like, it's so fucking hot out here society. I feel like I'm dead ass down out here. Shit, bro. Fucking hell. I gotta put the 225 back on there because I can't just do 135. Holy shit, I'm finna pass out in here. Fucking hell. It's that rough out here, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Ah, shit. I should take a rest.